Hi guys, so today we are going to be making banana pudding. The first thing you're going to be needing is some bananas, some milk, some vanilla wafers, some Cool Whip, some vanilla and vanilla instant jello. For the milk, you're more than welcome to use regular whole milk or 1% milk, low fat milk. But to me, this milk works best. Not even the whole milk, just this milk in particular, just the fat-free milk. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the bowl and we're gonna mix our instant jello. Now the directions on here call for you to use 2 cups of whole milk, and then we whisk it together. So that's what we're gonna do first. And now we're gonna need 2 cups of cold milk. So 2 cups here. And then we're going to whisk this all together. Now this is cold banana pudding, not the one that you stand over the stove and have to stir and stir and stir. This one is way easier. And the ingredients are very simple. Okay. Okay, now that we got that mixed, we're gonna be adding our pure vanilla extract. I do not use imitation. It does taste different, and for that you just need a capful. And we're gonna mix this together. Now while this is setting and getting a little like custardy, we're gonna go ahead and get our pan. I'm using an aluminum pan because I'm all about easy cleanup. And then we're gonna get our cookies. These in there. And we're gonna cut up some bananas. You can cut up bananas as many as you like. If you don't like bananas, you don't even have to put bananas in here. You can do all cookie pudding. I even have done this with almond milk because I'm sensitive to dairy. So if you're into almond milk, you're more than welcome to do that too. All right, so that's the first layer. Now, since this has set up a little bit, you can see it's a little custardy. Let me get a spoon so you can see. It's like a little custardy now. So what you do is we open our Cool Whip. Ooh. And pour some of that Cool Whip in there. This isn't a normal size Cool Whip container, but normally I will put half of it in there. This is the bigger one because it was cheaper than the smaller one. So get that stirred all in there. I'm wasting it and making a big mess over here. Jesus. Let's get a little more. I think that'll be considered half if I were using a regular. The whisk to help me out a little bit. All right. So we're going to take half of this. See, nice and custard. And pour half of it in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna eat it anyway. I have made this with condensed milk, but it's sometimes a little too rich. So, all right. Now that we got half of that in there, we're gonna take the rest of our cookies, pour them all in there. Now I do have another pack of cookies, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use some of those. Normally I would just do one pack of cookies, but it doesn't matter. All right, and then give me another banana. I'm going to cut this whole banana in there too. Super quick dessert. And then we're going to take the other half and just pour it all on top. Now this does have to sit in the refrigerator. So your cookies can get soft. My recommendation is just, a couple of hours or so. Maybe in a rush, just dive right in. It's no biggie. All right, and to make it pretty, you're more than welcome to throw a few cookies into a design on top, like this. Sometimes I crumble the crumbs up and sprinkle it on top to make a pretty design. Totally up to you. Alrighty. And here is my finished product of some yummy, delicious cold banana pudding. Again, this is not the banana pudding that you cook on top of the stove. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.